Jim, there's a new musical in town.
So what? I hate musicals. And besides that, I want to watch football.
Football is always in your head. Why don't you come with me instead?
Why don't you just leave me alone? Why don't you go to this musical on your own? Musicals are not my passion. They are as boring as fashion.
This is what you are. This is what you do. Because the musical will come to you. Don't forget who you are. Because tonight you are the star.
That's right. I am here the star. How did it ever come so far? 'Cause this is who I am.
Like Jim, many people don't accept or even see the way they are. You might dislike the way you are, but it's exactly that what makes you a star.